Our local governments are calling on retired healthcare workers to help give the massive COVID vaccination effort a shot in the arm. They'd be leaving the safety of retirement to join in this Herculean and historic effort. CBS 2's Carolyn Gusoff reports.
A vaccination line snakes around the lobby of Mount Sinai South Nassau Hospital, and behind the needles
So I'm going to break the seal.
are some whose healthcare shifts had ended. Nurse Joanne Newcomb is back to administer vaccines 2 years after retiring.
I have personal family that have died from COVID. I felt it was such a great opportunity to give back and to help accomplish herd immunity.
More than a dozen retirees recruited by South Nassau to fill a dire need. Hospitals are already spread thin navigating the COVID spike, COVID testing, and now the urgency to vaccinate.
There's only a limited number of people who can help us, so it is great that these volunteers came back, and the need is tremendous.
It's a call across the nation. In New Jersey, Governor Murphy with this urgent call for healthcare professionals. A big ask considering the health risks, but they are vaccinated themselves and paid. Ruth Ragusa, a grandmother, back on the front lines.
They always say once a nurse, always a nurse.
Diane Bendelier was enjoying recent retirement from NYU Langone. Then came the call to serve again, and she didn't think twice.
It's an overwhelming feeling, but it's also a joyful feeling that, come on, this is it. We're going to be able to fight this horrible, horrible virus.
The Nassau-Suffolk Hospital Council represents more than 20 area hospitals.
There's a need for staff to get the shots in the arms. If there's help by way of those retired pharmacists, nurses, and doctors, that will help, that will ease some of the burden on hospitals.
But healthcare workers put it more bluntly, questioning how there'll be enough staff once vaccinations roll out to the general public. Grateful to the retirees, but questioning how they'll be enough. In Oceanside, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBS 2 News.